guys, today we came to this hospital here. I'll be showing it to you, Liam and I, because in his school they detected in his class a coronavirus case. So they informed all the parents to bring their kids here in this hospital for a PCR and COVID test. They just ran the test on him now. I was about to video it, but it was an uncomfortable moment, so I didn't want to video it. And he cried. Yes, he cried because he somehow, but yeah, my boy is strong and we are here now and we'll be leaving. But I just feel I should update you because I know you people don't know exactly what the vlog so I just feel I should update you. This is what is happening right now. This is a hospital outskirts of the city. That's where they sent us for the COVID test. So I'll be showing you right now how the hospital looks outside, just a glimpse of the hospital for you to see how it looks.
What you're missing, you're just one lost soul here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love?
This is how the hospital
Somebody
looks
let
like.
the sun come up.
Guys, that's the hospital. You can see it, and if you should read there, right there, this is written and Prueba PCR Pediatria. Pediatria is like a kind of kids pediatrician. I don't know. Let me not bite my tongue. Kids and doctors and kids whatsoever. So this is where we went to. That's, you know, where the arrow is taking you to. You're supposed to go down there, and if you should notice, you can see some parents and other kids down there. So that was where Liam and I went for the PCR test. So I'll be waiting for the result. They might send it through email or an SMS text message telling me what was the result all about. If the result went well or not, will be, you know, they'll be telling me. So anyway, just this is the very just stay with us as we, you know, we spend the morning and all those stuff. Thank you so much, and I'll be catching you guys in a bit. Let me just drive now out from here, and yeah. So guys, no need, we are going to this place. So guys, we are here. I'm going to take breakfast right here. Let me show you where we are going to be taking the breakfast. Here, right here, we are going to be taking the breakfast, Liam and I, because we'll finish with everything concerning PCR. So we'll be going to take the breakfast now, but I have to first of all put on my face mask. But why do you want to take your bochili now? I have to first of all put my face mask because it's compulsory inside the, you know, restaurants, cafeterias and all those stuff. So I'll put my face mask and I'll be going. Okay, yeah. So let me put on my face mask like this. This is my outfit of today. I don't know if you can see it. What I'm putting on with my shoes. I'm putting on, guys. So anyway, I'll be catching you guys once I'm done. Breakfast here and here, and let me show you this here that looks like a cake. It's called roscon. I don't know if you can hear me. It's called roscon. They used to call it roscon de Reyes.
Mommy,
if you're in Spain, you will know what it means. So,
Mommy,
my love,
I want this.
no, it's very big for you. It's very big for you. So
I want this.
this is all what they have. They have so many good things
Mommy,
here. My
I
love,
want this.
you will not eat it, Bunny. So I will choose for you. Allow me to choose for you. So this is all what they have here. We'll be placing our order now. And they even have bread. If you want to take bread with you at home, they have bread and all those stuff. Hola, buenos días. ¿Me puedes poner un café con leche bien caliente, por favor? Y también esos croissants en argentinos, le llamáis, ¿no? Sí, no croissants. Sí, sí, por favor. No sé si vamos a acabar todos. Bueno, no, 3, porque... ¿Y esos de ahí qué son, por favor? Tartare queso. Ah. Bunny, do we take one of tartare queso?
No.
Why?
Trato de queso.
Maybe it will be yummy, ¿eh? ¿Qué tal están las tartare queso? Bueno, vamos a... ¿Me pones una, por favor? Sí, por favor, muy caliente, vale, gracias. So this is all what they have here. We are going to pay now. Okay, Liam?
No money.
Mommy. Let's see. Okay. We're not going to add more sugar because this has sugar already, okay? Okay? I know, but there's no point we adding sugar because we already have sugar here. Okay, Bunny? So guys, this is what we are taking for breakfast. This is for Liam. It's croissant. They call it croissant argentinos. And this is a cheesecake for me. Cheesecake, I don't know how it's going to taste. And I also have my coffee here. This is my coffee, and Liam's going to be taking milk, just plain milk. So yeah, this is what we'll be taking. Just want me to get to the car because I promised him that he's going to be watching cartoon while he's in the car. So he just want me to get to the car. Anyway, we are done and we'll be going home now. So I'll catch you guys once we are there. See you, and I will let you know the updates. Guys, we are back home. We are super duper tired. I got so many stuffs from the supermarket because I branched at the supermarket without me planning munching there, and also got some stuff for Liam. Let me show you. I got this for Liam, something I did not even plan for. If you're wondering where I got it from a supermarket called Lidl. So thank you so much if you watched to this point. I do really appreciate you. I can't thank you the most. So let me just fix something for lunch now for Liam and I. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. I really love you to the moon and back. Bye bye. See you in my next one. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't. Do all those good stuffs, and I will be catching you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.